Welcome back to the channel. It's Al the Ripper Sports Cards. We're going to get into these NBA hoops here. 2 packs. Let's go. Just out of a blaster box. You can get the rookie remembrance cards. Those are numbered to 25. Got Lonzo Ball. There's also the red. They're numbered to 75. There we go. We got a frequent Flyers, Derek Jones. And our rookie is Josh Giddey. Good player there. Take that. Second pack. We got Trent Jr. Got Cam Johnson. McDermott. That's pretty cool. Got James Harden there. Now on the Philadelphia there. Then we got Aaron Wiggins on the OKC.